أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم SILAH 2020 plans CSS 20 weeks, PMS 20 weeks, Judiciary 20 weeks, M English 20 weeks, IELTS 10 weeks, Creative Writing 10 weeks, Life Skills A1 4 weeks, English MDCAT 20 days, Interview 20 days, Day-to-day English Conversation 100 hours, OA levels 16 weeks, Skill to read the Holy Quran 100 days, Translation of the Holy Quran 30 weeks, English Literature, Introduction to Poetry, Part 6. The third sound device is alliteration. What? Alliteration. You know there is no that vowel sound as apple. Which sounds? This is vowel sound. Ink. Which sound is there? Vowel, not vowel. Vowel. What's that? Vowel, bowl, foul. This is no vowel sound is there. When we speak some words, it looks like that there is no that o, e, like that. This is vowel sound. As honesty. In the beginning, sound is there again. Egg. Very good. Energy. A sound is there. This is vowel sound. No? Other than this, that is called consonant. Funds clear? Yes. Ball. Consonant sound. Cat. Consonant sound. Dog. Clear? Yes. Elephant. Vowel sound. Elephant. Clear? Fan. Consonant sound. Clear? Yes. Gun. Consonant sound. Google. Excellent. Girl. Consonant sound. No. Hen. Consonant sound. No, I am just moving. No, with the proper order. No, just. Say impossible. Vowel sound. No, your concept is clear. Points clear. When we say alliteration, so alliteration is basically the repetition. To say again and again, to repeat what? Consonant sound, where in the beginning of the words, so this consonant sound is repeated. Packet, police, pen. What I'm repeating? P, excellent. This is pa sound, no? Pakistani, people, packed, picked, parceled. You got the point?
Yes, sir.
Clear or not? No?
Yes, sir.
So like that, no? Concept is clear? Yes. Repetition of consonant sound. Which part of the word? First part of the word. That this word begins with consonant sound and that sound is repeated. See, this tooth. This tooth. Tooth and teeth. Toothbrush. Toothpaste, not tooth. Clear? Tooth.
I jiggled it, jaggled it,
Jerked it. Which sound is being repeated? Ja sound, no? Is vowel or consonant? Consonant, no. It's in the beginning, in the middle or at the end? At the start of the words, no. I pushed.
and pulled and booked it.
Which sound? Pa sound, no? In the beginning. But.
As soon as I stopped and
Soon stop. Clear? Yes. This is consonant, no sound, no. So what is repeated over there? Jiggled, jaggled, jerked. Say, points clear? This sound is repeated, no. I pushed.
and pulled and booked it.
What? Pa. This points clear?
Yes, sir.
What's the role of this repetition? To create rhythm. Excellent. Now, so the first thing the poet uses rhymes. What? Rhymes. Two rhymes, two rhymes, two rhymes, and the fourth pattern is only one rhyme. Clear?
Yes.
Second,
Repetition.
repetition. Words, repetition of words, phrases, or repetition of lines. And third one is alliteration, repetition of the first consonant sound. Clear?
Yes.
And the fourth one is onomatopoeia. What? Onomatopoeia. What's that? Tomorrow, inshallah, Aziz.